Welcome to the Genius of English. Today's topic is Advanced Adverb Analysis, Special Cases and Critical Distinctions. This lesson focuses on identical adjective and adverb forms, dual meaning adverbs, misleading ly words, and advanced usage notes. First, let us understand identical adjective and adverb forms. The word fast can work as both an adjective and an adverb. As an adjective, a fast train. As an adverb, the train fast. Here, the adjective modifies the noun. The word hard also has identical adjective and adverb forms. As an adjective, a hard problem. As an adverb, she works hard. Here, the adjective modifies the noun. The word early can also function in both forms. As an adjective, the early shift. As an adverb, they arrived early. Again, the adjective modifies the noun. Important note: these words change syntactic category without changing form. Now let us move to dual meaning adverbs, also called semantic shifts. First pair, hard and hardly. Hard means with effort. Example, she works hard. Hardly means scarcely. Example, she hardly works. Second pair, late and lately. Late means not on time. Example, don't arrive late. Lately means recently. Example, have you seen him lately? Third pair, near and nearly. Near means close by. Example, store near. Nearly means almost. Example, the work is nearly done. Fourth pair, high and highly. High means at a high point. Example, birds fly high. Highly means to a high degree. Example, a highly rated film. Now let us study misleading ly words. The word friendly is not used directly as an adverb. Correct adverbial phrase, in a friendly manner. Incorrect, he smiled friendly. Correct, in a friendly manner. The word cowardly. Correct adverbial phrase, in a cowardly manner. Incorrect, he acted cowardly. Correct, in a cowardly way. The word ugly. Correct adverbial phrase, in an ugly fashion. Incorrect, it was painted ugly. Correct, it was painted ugly. Finally, let us look at the advanced usage notes and recap. There is refined placement and meaning of hardly for clarity. There are updated notes on the position of enough with different forms such as enough plus noun and adjective plus enough. And this lesson gives a concise recap of all distinguishing criteria. Thank you for watching the Genius of English.